Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about we need to convert this equation into polar form. So now I will show you how to answer. We have two formula in here. That's about S equal to R cosine theta and y equals to R sine theta. So we put this one go in here and this one go in here. So we have the power 2 and power 2. So we got about 5r square cosine theta square minus 2r square sine theta square equals to number 10. Now we have r square and r square. We can do about factorization. Later that we divide both sides with this one. Later that we put the square root for the both sides. This is the end. Thank you for watching.